Do you know many people are having trouble with inserting a SIM card into their HP ZBook? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power off. Make sure your HP ZBook 14u G6 is powered off and unplugged. Step 2. Find slot. Locate the SIM card slot on the right side of the laptop. Step 3. Eject tray. Use a SIM eject tool to push into the small hole by the slot to eject the tray. Step 4. Place SIM. Place your SIM card onto the tray, ensuring it aligns correctly. Step 5. Insert tray. Reinsert the tray into the slot until it clicks into place. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully insert your SIM card. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.